Alright, this is CompTIA 8.2.4 lab, and we're going to use the Azure Interface. Alright, so we have all our tags here highlighted here on the left pane, and these are the things that we're going to be looking at in this particular lab. So let's get into the details of this lab. So you are the network administrator for your company. You have decided to begin the configuration of Azure to help manage your network. You need to create a source group to organize your Azure assets. So in this lab, your task is to create a resource group using the following information. Azure Portal site is going to be portal.azure.com, and the project details is going to be subscription name, CompTIA production, resource group name is going to be CompTIA cloud, and resource details is going to be region, and US is going to be West US 2. You're going to use Chrome to access the Azure Portal resource group are found in the navigation section of the portal. Alright, so let's just get right into this right away. So let's look at the first task here is okay. So let's start with Google Chrome. We want to access the Azure Portal, and here's the site here. We just copy and paste. So we copy this and we paste this right in here. Alright, so we insert the Azure Portal, and let's start up. Go to create, and CompTIA productions, and that's because the subscription name is CompTIA production. The next thing is resource group name is going to be CompTIA cloud. CompTIA cloud. Yeah. So copy this and paste this here, and the resource group region is going to be US West US 2. So let's type this in and see. Okay, here's it here, West US 2. So we'll go ahead and create this. Alright, so go ahead and create this, and let's see how we do. So we'll go ahead and score lab, and we'll lab. That is 100%. If you find this video helpful, you know what to do. Like and subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell, hit the like button also, and if you have further questions, hit me up through the comment section, and remember to share this video so that other students can benefit also. I wish you good luck in your educational journey. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video. So until then, peace.